Hello everyone, it's the Wizzerdrix. Today we'll be doing a pack opening. I've done one before, but the webcam I had didn't have autofocus, so when I was showing the cards to the camera, it was super blurry, like I was recording on some kind of potato or something. But anyways, here's the wheel. It's a myriad of packs that we have to open, and to decide which one we open, give it a few clicks. Whatever it lands on, we crack open. Some good ones, some bad ones. I won't say bad, but decent. Well, there's Dragon Maze in there, and I have to apologize for that. But anyways, I'm going to spin the wheel. Get a few good spins. Now I really have to apologize. Well, let's get cracking. Hey everyone, it's future me. When I recorded this video in OBS, I forgot to enlarge the frame of the webcam to full screen. I had to enlarge it post-editing, so camera quality won't be HD in this video, but it will be moving forward. I had to keep this in because it was too funny not to. Making fun of Dragon's Maze, spinning the wheel, and landing on Dragon's Maze, and that's the definition of irony. Well, hopefully this isn't a bad start to the series, but here's the Dragon's Maze pack. Maybe we'll pull a Voice of Resurgence and break even. Nice and even. Got a Maze Rusher, Bane Alley Blackguard, Orzhov Cluestone, Fido Burst, Hazda Snare Squad, Wake the Reflections, Wizzerdrix, Clear a Path, Fatal Fumes. For our uncommons, we got Feral Animist, Showstopper. Let me turn this turn and burn so you can see it. One of the split cards they have of this set. That's one of the gimmicks of this set. They had split cards in the uncommon slots, and I think the rare slots had a cycle too. Well, anyways, for our rare, 2/7 Pontiff of Blights. It is 4 colorless, 2 black for Zombie Cleric. It's a 2/7, has Extort. Whenever you cast a spell, you may pay white or black. If you do, each opponent loses 1 life, and you gain that much life. Other creatures you control have Extort. And that's a really steep mana cost. Like, even a commander, that's not very great, and that's saying something. Because the commander is usually a card for everything. And it looks like we have a foil too. Let's see what it is. Hey, double rare pack. Nice. We got Flesh and Blood. The flesh side is 3 colorless, 1 black, 1 green sorcery. Exile target creature card from a graveyard. Put X/1/1 counters on target creature where X is the power of creatures you exiled. Fuse. You may cast one or both halves of this card from your hand, just like the other split cards of this set. And Blood is a red-green sorcery. Target creature you control deals damage equal to its... I jumbled that one up. Target creature you control deals damage equal to its power to target creature or player. I mean, for Commander, it's okay. I wouldn't run a whole lot. Let's see if I think we somehow can get a Shockland in this set too. Nope, it's a Gruul Guildgate. Thanks, Dragon's Maze. There it is, the boy. 2/2 Vengeless Knight token. Dragon's Maze. What a set. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. Next pack opening video will be definitely more exciting for sure, because it does not get much worse than cracking a pack of Dragon's Maze. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like it, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. Anyways, see you in the next video.